Hyeung, back for detail number 4 with Toi Gye Detail. We are now moving out of the mountain blocks into the section towards the back, going back towards the beginning of the pattern. I'll do this the way that you'd learn it. If this was the start position where you start your chun B, you'd go through all the movements at the beginning. You'd do the full section down the middle. You do first the crescent kicks, see my last video about that. And then once you'd finished, you would end back left foot first kicking here, and then we'd move forward. So one thing you do notice is, which I've mentioned in the past, is that a lot of patterns are kind of eye shapes if we were to look at them from a bird's eye view. Yeah, you've got the top section, you go down the middle, do a turn, do the bottom section, then you come back up the middle and here. And then as you go up the patterns, you notice certain ones have different bits and pieces. Like Dosan has bits off to the corner as well as the general eye shape. Okay, you'll go blue belt pattern, sort of goes top section with pointy corner bits, down the middle, down the middle, down the middle, and then it goes back on itself a little bit before it moves out into the eye shape. So it becomes kind of like almost like a two-sided F with pointy bits. It becomes a slightly more complex. This has the same idea. You get back into that mountain block here after all your crescent kicks. Okay, but then we step in, step out into a low support block. Okay, so you've gone past the bottom of that eye shape. If you, like I say, imagine it that way, top, down the middle, here, and then it's got the tail, whoop, which is the bit that we're doing now. Okay, so from here, right foot in, left foot out, support. Okay, note this is not a high section support block. It is not this. Okay, and it is in a back stance, and it's here. Okay, we need it middle section. Okay, oh, for a long time we had it sort of that way, following thigh. It's fine. Okay, but it's not up here. Okay, it is a low section support. We then come back for a knee strike, and then we're going to turn into a knife. Okay, so from the front, how you'd actually end up doing this will be here, in to come out, here, onto my ribs, knee, and then I turn into my knife. Okay, now I'm going to do this one right back here, because the footwork means I'm getting quite close to the camera, so you may have missed a few of them bits. Okay, but here, after all of my crescent kicks, all my mountain blocks, and I come in, recoil behind, back stance, low section, onto my ribs, knee, I'm going to step forwards into my knife block. Okay, I'm going to do that from here again, just so you can see the footwork. It gives you a different angle of what I'm doing. Okay, so you've got to imagine, I would have started over here, done all the pattern, done the middle bit, got to this section, done all my crescent kicks, which there is a billion of. Okay, and then I go right foot in, left foot out, bam, and I'll be here, low section support block, onto my ribs, hit my knee strike, and then round into my knife block again in my back stance. Okay, I am going back stance, knee to back stance. Okay, if we can, but my ears in particular, because I catch around this all the time. Okay, once I'm here and I do that fold, try and raise high. I don't want you to just sort of go, bink, and that's it. Okay, raise quite high. You've got to imagine that you've gone from here, hand to the head, buff, give it a good knee, and then raise your knife block fold. Okay, do not go and then it just appears out of nowhere. Okay, that makes that block in particular look incorrect, it makes it look different, it makes it look weak. Okay, I still want it to go knee smash, high fold. Okay, that's what I'm aiming for. Okay, so I'll be here, bam, yeah, raise it, and then let it fling in as you sit into your stance. Okay, be really neat. Okay, but that's the one for today. Thank you very much. It's only got 3 moves, but that turn gets a bit awkward for some people on where they put their feet, because people want to go knee, land forwards, and then do like a back foot turn. We want it in one, guys. Yeah, we want it in one. We want to go here, bam, and land. Yeah, knee, turn your hips, land. Yeah, don't go down and start shuffling. It's not correct. Okay, thanks very much. That was detail 4 of Toi Gye Detail. Moving on in the next one. Enjoy.